Welcome to Baldwin Tips in Under a Minute. Today I'll be showing you how to use your Smart HD rearview mirror. To engage or disengage your camera, simply flip the switch in the middle up or down. If you would like to adjust your camera, you can press the square button located on the right hand side once, and here you can select one of the 4 different settings that you can switch on or off. The first one is going to be the auto dimming feature, which we can turn on or off using the left and right buttons. The next is going to be your home link setup, which is going to be how you can pair your garage door opener with up to 3 different garage doors. The one after that is going to be your compass, where you can turn the compass on or off or calibrate it yourself, and it will walk you through it. And then the last feature is going to be setting your language for the mirror.